In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this hydrating face cream. This cream will help give you a very soft, smooth, hydrated looking skin. And you can also use this product on your hands as a hand cream. And it is very, very good for pro mixing as well because it is very, very thick. As you can see, it is safe to use as a daytime moisturizer. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Select Khalil. We're so happy to have you here. Please join the Flawless Skin Gang. We make DIY skincare products, we make product reviews, we do everything that has to do with skincare and beauty. So if any of this is what you are interested in, definitely stick around. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very hydrating face cream. This face cream can be used on its own as a daytime moisturizer, and you can also use this face cream as a base for pro mixing your whitening cream, your acne cream, and other kinds of face creams that you would want to pro mix. Now, before we jump into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you share this video to your friends, your family, and make sure you turn on the post notification so you know whenever we have a new video up. Okay, now without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. We're going to measure out our water, and for this I am using distilled water. Make sure you're using distilled water if you want to use this product for a long period of time or you want to sell this product. Do not use tap water if you're going to be selling this product or you're going to be keeping it for a long period of time. So here is our water. We're going to just put that aside and move on to the other phase. Now for our oil phase, we are going to be measuring out our oil and our waxes. So we have our cocoa butter. Now the comedogenic rating for cocoa butter is about 4. So if you are sensitive skinned and you would want something that will not, clog your pores, you can go ahead to use shea butter, which has a comedogenic rating of about 0 to 2. Or if you are have a very sensitive skin, you can go ahead to use squalene oil, which has 0.0 to 1. So yeah, just stating that. Go ahead and add that into your beaker, and then we're going to be using Olive M1000, which is an emulsifier that we will use to create the emulsion for this cream. Now, Olive M1000 is not just a thickener, it is a very, very good moisturizer as well. It thickens and improves the spreadability of the cream, and in addition to that functionality, it also serves as an emulsifier and a thickener. Okay, Olive M also offers moisturizing benefits that boost the hydration rate of your product, and it is safe enough to be used on sensitive skin as well, which is why I chose this particular kind of emulsifier for this product, because we're trying to get all the hydration that we can get. Now I'm going to add that into our beaker and set that aside, or rather before I set that aside, I'm going to add my oil. You can use any oil that you want. For this I used squalene oil because I don't want too much greasiness, because I already have cocoa butter in here. So I'm adding squalene oil to help with the moisturizing effect as well. And after that, we have our water and our oil phase. We're going to get that onto the boiler, or if you have this setup that I have, you can go ahead and use that. Now moving on, we're going to dissolve our hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to be using glycerin to dissolve my hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid is a very, very good hydrating agent. It helps to draw moisture to the skin, and glycerin also is a humectant that helps to draw moisture to the skin and keep your skin supple. Now, the reason why I'm using this to dissolve the hyaluronic acid is because it is easier to use hyaluronic acid when you dissolve it with glycerin or any other water soluble solvent. Now, our water phase is ready, our oil phase is also ready, but before we bring our oil phase onto the table, I am going to add my glycerin that we have just mixed into the water and try to agitate that a bit. This way it is easy for the hyaluronic acid to blend into the water and dissolve into the water, because if we use water to dissolve it, it will clump up and give us a lot of work, and we'll have to waste a lot of time trying to get that to dissolve completely. So dissolving it in your glycerin will help you speed up your formulation time. Okay, so here, this is what we have right now. I'm going to get my emulsion blender, and I'm going to try to give that a bust just to make sure everything is well incorporated before I add my oil. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm adding the oil into the water to create my emulsion. Now, you see how I tilted my blender to the side. That's to help me remove any air bubbles. So here, this is what we have. You keep blending. You don't want to blend for too long. You want to blend a bit and then give it a rest, go back and blend just like that. And finally, after a few hours, this is what we have. Our cream has thickened up and we are ready to add our cool down ingredients. Now, I'm going to add my preservative. For this, I am using Liquid Jamal Plus, which is a broad spectrum preservative, and is very, very easy for you to get, and it's very easy to use as well. I'm also going to add vitamin E at this point, and then go ahead to give that a very, very good blend together. And then I'm going to pour out my cream into this beautiful container. Now, we have a training that is coming up on the 30th of this month. I'm going to be teaching you how to create safe and very, very stable base creams that you can use to pro-mix your skin whitening products. Now, a lot of the whitening concentrates that you use for your base cream or your whitening creams have hydroquinone in them, and that is what causes your cream to go brown or starts giving an adverse result. Now, in this training, I'm going to show you how to make proper base that will accommodate all the serums that you want to use without having a brown cream or having your products not giving the result that they promise to give. So if you're interested in joining and you want to learn how you can create creams using hydroquinone safely, then you want to definitely join this training. And yeah, this is what we have. The cream is so beautiful, very, very luxurious on the skin, and very, very soft and creamy, and all the goodness. And you can use this cream to pro-mix your skin whitening product. As you can see, it is very, very thick, so any liquid product you put in it will still give the product form. The cream will still be thick and you will have a very beautiful product. So I'm going to be showing you ingredients as well that you can incorporate with some ingredients that will give you a certain kind of shade and all of that. So if you're interested, definitely join that training by clicking the link in the description bar to join. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I use this cream to pro-mix another face cream. Bye.